Hello and welcome to Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to be adding integers. So remember from before, as we move to the right from 0, our numbers get larger. As we move down the number line to the left, our numbers get smaller. So what happens if we have positive 2 and we add positive 3? There's different ways we could think of this. We could think of it on the number line starting at positive 2 and getting 3 more positives. 1, 2, 3, ending up at positive 5. Let's just write that down. Equals positive 5. Another way we could think of that would be we've got 2 positives and we get 3 more positives. How many positives do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positives. So if we have the same symbol beginnings, positive or negative, then we're going to add them together. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, let's try that again for positive 7 and we get 6 more positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're at positive 13. Or we could think of it as the dots. We've got 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we get 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We end up with 13 positives. The same thing happens with the negatives if the symbols are the same, negative and a negative. So we have negative 4. And we're going to get 5 more negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end up at negative 9. So we had 4 negatives, and we got 5 more. How many negatives do we have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 negatives in total. Alright, so we have negative 9, and we get 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up at negative 13. So we had 9 dots, 9 negatives, and we got 4 more. We end up with 13 negatives. It's a little bit different when we have a mixture of positives and negatives. So let's take a look at this one. We're at negative 7, and we get 8 positives. So let's count positive direction in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We end up at positive 1. The way we could model this is we had 7 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we got 8 positives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anytime that we have a positive and negative together, that they're opposites to each other, like negative 1, positive 1, they actually cancel out and are equal to 0. So these are all zeroed out, cancel each other out, and we're left with the 1 positive. Alright, in this case we have positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we get 6 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that these cancel out. And we're left with negative 2. So we were at positive 4 and we got 6 negatives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're at negative 2. Alright, so we're 0, and we're going to get 7 negatives. So we're at 0 and we get 7 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to end up at negative 7. And that would look like on here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 negatives. I get nothing else, 0. So I end up with negative 7. Same thing works with positive numbers. I'm at positive 8 and I get nothing else. I stay at positive 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm at negative 10 and I get 5 positives. So negative 10, I get 5 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I end up with still a negative, negative 5. So I had 10 negatives, 10 negatives, 5 positives. Here's my 5 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these all cancel out, go to 0, and I'm left with negative 5. And the last one I'm at positive 7, and I get 4 negatives. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative direction. I end up at positive 3. So that would look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and I get 4 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4. These pair up and cancel out, and I'm left with positive 3. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the class website for additional examples, the handout, and assignments.